Hey guys, I just had to show you this dry. Check it out. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. These paints are the coolest paints ever. So, they are these. And the if you just use the colors, they would last a while. The way I use white, the white won't last me. I already used up 2 tubes of white because some people are like, that's so expensive. But for the color, like I didn't use much for this. Totally worth it. Look at that. And I will show you a sneak peek. That's dry as well, which is so cool. And this, I mixed those colors with regular colors. And it still turned out pretty vivid. But yeah, these paints are phenomenal. I am just in awe over this. So, anywho, just wanted to update you. It's quite early on a Saturday morning, and I was excited to see what happened when these dried. Bye.